Good morning, Year 10. I just thought I'd put on a mini video about the best value stuff that I set for one group yesterday and one group today, because I think a few of you were a little unclear even after watching the Maths Watch video, which is fine. So what I thought I'd do is do the coffee one for you. Now there was a mistake as well on the sheet which didn't help. The 140 gram jar, it was a mistype and it should have said £1.10 for the 110 gram jar, and for the 300 gram jar it should have said £2.18. So what we've got to do is try and compare them and decide which is the best value one. Now in order to do that we need to find a price per jar, per item, per milliliter, per litre, or in this case per gram. So every single time all you need to remember is that what you do is you do the cost of it divided by the amounts in that jar, so say 300 in this case. So in this one it would be £2.18 or 218 if you wanted to do it in pence, divided by 300. You're obviously going to need your calculator for this to help me, because I'm trying to hold the camera as well. I've already worked that out and it comes to 0.00726. Weird number, I know, but don't let that put you off, it's not important. And so that would be pence. So that's pounds. So that's the cost in pounds per single 1 gram of coffee, which we'd never buy, would we? But it is going to allow us to compare to the other one. So similar calculation, the cost, £1.10, over the amount in the jar, which is 140 grams. So calculator again, and you're going to get something very, very similar, 0.00785 pounds per single 1 gram of coffee. So we just need to compare these two numbers. So don't worry about what they actually mean in terms of pounds or pence, but you obviously are going to need the lower one to make it better value, because it's going to cost you less per single gram of coffee. So in this example, the 300 gram, the larger jar, is the better value. So every single time, all you need to do is the cost divided by the amount in that packet, and do it for both items, see which is the lower answer. I hope that clarifies things. Take care.